Trekking is a form of walking undertaken with the specific purpose of exploring and enjoying the scenery. It could be a motive, a commitment, an aim, an objective, a mission, a party, or a social gathering. With much enthusiasm and curiosity to learn about the history of IAPNGAR in the BHOI district of Meghalaya, the Media Plus team had also trekked up the highest hillock situated at KDONGHULU village. It was indeed an uphill task where the team members, along with a few local residents as guide, had to delve into unfamiliar trails and meanderings through a forested area. After about 2 hours of climbing up the hill, the team reached the summit and halted at a particular spot where the Sohpiang Lephaw tree had been firmly planted for ages altogether. One of the local guides, Walam Kuparambai, had narrated the stories of the Sohpiang Lephaw, which he said had been passed down through generations. The stories behind this particular tree have their history dating back to the rule of the Jaintia kings over BHOI area of Meghalaya. Walam Kuparambai started his narration with the story of the royal suitors of a very beautiful girl of the village who had rejected the marriage offer of each one of them. The entire village was ashamed of this rejection of the royal suitors by the girl that it prompted the villagers to tie both she and her mother to the Sohpiang Lephaw tree and shoot 30 arrows to their death. Another story that relates to the name of the Sohpiang Lephaw talks about an incident after the war between Kaluk Shadap and Yong Saring, where 30 of Shadap's soldiers had hung their 30 shields on the trunk of the tree before proceeding to the IAPNGAR fort.
Khana jong niu Sohpiang Lephaw te ka we ka long ba dot ko we ka men ka rong ba brio ka ni ka chaka jong i ri na ka cha shadam te ka ta ka don ko khon ko ba brio ba te sibon kis em kini ba marjan kira terwa hende gam tre te ka jano ondala khi rasong ka ka hima jantia te to sim jantia ulamut wan ba ka bo ada kamtre nilai ada kebuat. Te bat kereta kejing ong jong kirum deh basule buat tanya ka, te hanreya ka ni ka. Yap ngar ki baru, bung punjat sunan ya ka yap ngar, te ring sunan ta ka brio. Te banai na ta ka jingja, te hadin balai pun banyak dan pa. Te kisih mi ka rai ba ka tu kinai pun buat, ka kamtre. Nomor dawan the wave yang kamtre the wave yang kamtre te ka mi so ka ni jingja bahdo bangin da sha da hatma te bahawa penyap te ki wani lambat ka ni ba pun ha ka ni penyih te udi ki siat ni phau khna ya ka sayap ni ba pun te ka porong ka baar par ka long hadin kita ka jingele thma por balong sim betu ka lu sadap din ba de kun yang sering te ja ka thma te ki sipai jantia chua bakin rum chatai sako ta kut jong yap nga te hani ki wa ta sti jong ki naro ki tip rupa ya ka parom jong kata ka jing siat kata ka belajar te ki wa khnang ya ka sti jong ki so lai phau tli ki sti ni man chong thai chua man rum ki tai te kita ki arli parom kina pun skhem ta ka Lephaw jong ni.
The trek up to the location of the Sohpiang Lephaw was truly an experience, especially for us city dwellers. However, despite the exhaustion after returning to the foot of the hill, the Media Plus team was grateful enough to have made the climb to such a wonderful place, but more so, grateful for the knowledge gained of the beautiful history of the scenic IAPNGAR in the BHOI area.